Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Beautiful purple for that first one, followed by a long to lob haircut. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful ombre hair colored bob with the copper towards the ends. And then we have another colored bob. Wow, beautiful mix of pink. So it looks like we have a haircut and hair color transformation. Stylish pixie cut for this one. So she ended up getting like that asymmetrical pixie style. Gorgeous. Then we have a bob haircut transformation. Gorgeous blunt cut bob style. Absolutely stunning. She looks so much younger with this bob haircut too, I might add. Gorgeous blonde lob haircut transformation. Beautiful tousled waves. Then we have another long to bob haircut. Absolutely stunning tousled curls, beautiful. So let me know in the comments below which hairstyle was your favorite. And of course, if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.